What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Air Max 95. Let's go! In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get that casual, cool, loosely laced look with your Air Max 95. So let's get started. I'm going to leave that one there so you can see what we're aiming towards, and I'm going to be lacing up the left shoe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the lace through that first loop on the front of the shoe. So pass your lace through the loop, pull it up, and then to make your laces the same length on both sides, hold your ends together and pull up. Now as you pull up, you might find that one's slightly more slack than the other, so just keep pulling until you feel like you're getting the same tension on both sides of the lace. So we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring it up through that first loop on the inside of the shoe. Pass it up through the loop, keeping it nice and loose. Then take it through that loop on the tongue. Again, don't pull on your laces at all, just keep them as nice and as relaxed as possible. Then we're going to take the outside lace, bring that up through that first loop on the outside of the shoe. Push it up through the loop, and again nice and relaxed, and then take it across and through the loop on the tongue, sitting it underneath the lace that's already there. Just like that. Then we're going to keep that lace in your hand and bring it up through the inside loop and across through the loop on the tongue. Then take your outside lace, bring it up through the next loop on the outside of the shoe. Then take it through the loop, sitting it underneath the lace that's there. And then just a bit of a tip to how to keep your laces nice and relaxed. If you pull your loops out, hold on to that one and then pull that one out, you'll pull them both out and you'll make sure that your loops are as wide as each other. So then we're going to take the inside lace, bring it up through the next loop on the inside of the shoe and across the loop on the tongue. Then take the outside lace, bring that up through the next loop and take it through the hoop on the tongue, pushing it to sit underneath the lace that's already there. Again, just pull out your loops. If you feel like your laces are getting a little bit tight, not relaxed enough, then just pull these out. Then we're going to take that inside lace up through the next loop. Then the outside lace comes up through the next loop on the outside. The inside lace comes across and up through the loop on the outside of the shoe. And the inside lace comes across to the next loop on the inside of the shoe. And then to carry on that pattern up to the top, your inside lace is going to come up through the last hoop on the outside of the shoe. And your outside lace is going to come up through the loop on the inside of the shoe. Now if you get to here and you find that you haven't quite got enough lace, then just work your way back to around about probably the middle of the shoe. That one's looking a little bit baggy, so I'm just going to pull that one up through here and this one up and pull these in just ever so slightly, just to give you that little bit more lace at the top, like that, and curve your laces over and you'll get that great loose lace look like we've already got on the right shoe here. So there you've got your loose lace 95, nice relaxed style. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your loosely laced Air Max 95. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up And for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.